Pictures of my dreams raise up and dance with me.
Right, welcome back. 2 days out, boy oh boy, do we have a YouTube full day of eating for you. So the carb load continues, and today's going to be slightly different foods, just kind of using lower volume foods. And that's like, when I was making this meal plan, I was like, Jesus Christ, this generally feels like I'm eating off plan and binging. This is literally what it's like. So yeah, the meals are going to be pretty similar, just using low volume foods, the kind of foods that I got yesterday if you watched that, but going over the whole plan. Today, 2 days out, woke up at 64.4 kg, touch fuller, touch heavier than yesterday, as expected, day one of the carb load. So, goal today is to slightly spill over today, and then carry on with 1 to 2 times carb meals tomorrow. So tomorrow will be 1 day out, and then obviously depending when we wake up how full / watery I am, dry off and bring that dry full look we had on the Wednesday come showtime. So total macros today are 180 grams of protein, 450 carb and 50 fat, with the majority of the food being kind of low volume, high carb, kind of sugary stuff. So yeah, we'll take you through that, and it's going to be a fun full day of eating. For someone like me who's in prep, this is like, you know, a very, what's the word I'm looking for? A very, I can't put a word to it. It's a monumental day, you know what I'm saying? So lower food volume in general today. Use easy, simple carb sources. That'll be the good digestion, so like jam, honey, rice cakes, etc. And then we've got the last session, which is just an upper pump session. That'll be it going in after 2 meals. I'll have a pump up drink with a gram of salt in it alongside my pump product. And I'll just be going through like a circuit upper body, 50 minutes or so each movement, minimal rest, just kind of practicing the pump up like backstage, etc. And I'll have another scoop of creatine in meal 3, so that'll be just a bit of extra creatine going in today, aiding in more fullness, and then a litre extra of water today. So I usually have like 8.5, so I'll have 9.5 litres today, and then an extra gram of salt today. So I usually have 8 grams, so I'll have 9 grams of salt today. So yeah, and then 6k steps, shots post workout and evening alongside body weight there. So yeah, the 4 meals today got 100 grams of carbs going in meal 1, 150 grams of carbs meal 2, pre-workout, 100 grams post workout, and 100 grams in the last meal. So we've got 2 rice cakes and jam with every single meal, and then a bagel and jam alongside the rice cakes to pre-workout, alongside with the kind of usual meal plan there. So very exciting. I'm going to take you through this first meal because this honestly feels like I'm just cheating and binging on my diet. So I'll get that made up and we'll get meal 1 going and this full day of eating going. So let's go. Oh my days. This is quite literally a prep man's dream right here. So we're going to run through what we've got here. Apologies as well. My washing machine is currently on, so that's that loud noise you can hear. So apologies for that. But yeah, what the heck. Oh, first meal going down. We have 2 rice cakes, 20 grams of jam on the bagels, so with the bagel, 15 grams of dark chocolate in the whey cake, 50 grams of raspberry, so we're still keeping fruit and veg in, just a little bit less today, 46 grams of whey, and then 10 grams of honey, coming out to 45 grams of protein, 12 carb, and 45 protein, 12 fat, and 90 carb for meal number 1. Little taste test, we've got the honey on the rice cakes. Well done. That tastes amazing. Especially prep taste buds as well. Prep taste buds are a thing, like everything just tastes 10 times better. So got the bagel and jam as well. Wow. See the sweet flavours, it literally just tastes like, this feels like I'm eating off plan with the beautiful whey cake. Life cannot get any better. With 1.5 grams of salt, got our morning hydrochloric in. That is meal number 1. I cannot wait to tuck into this. So I shall see you for the pre-workout meal, which is going to be just as good. Right, the pre-workout meal is here. I don't even know where to start with this absolute abomination. This is like when I was eating my first meal, I just felt like I was in a buffet. Like it tastes that good. So got all of that. So very much enjoying this full day eating, as you can tell. So meal number 2, what do we have? We have 150 grams of chicken, 50 grams of rice, bit of barbecue sauce in there, bit of spring onion in there. Then moving on to this, we have a bagel, 10 grams of jam, 2 rice cakes, 20 gram, jam, and then 10 grams of dark chocolate, and then the Squares bar, the extra little treat in this pre-workout meal with the best flavour, the caramel chocolate, which I'm very excited to get tucked into. So that comes out to 950 calories, 52 protein, 150 carb, and 15 grams of fat. Then right here we also have the pump drink before I'll be drinking this on the way to the gym. Full serving here with a gram of salt in there, and then 3 grams of salt in here. So this pump is going to be absolutely amazing. So last session going down before the first show, which is absolutely crazy, and once again another kind of milestone ticked off in this prep and bodybuilding journey, you know what I'm saying? So very, very exciting times ahead, and obviously we'll get that filmed. I've got a 35-minute drive to the gym. I'll be in there for about 30-40 minutes to my pump session, posing, weigh myself, and then driving back. So yeah, that's fun. But getting this done, I was very, very excited to eat this. It should be absolutely delicious. But we'll get the last session filmed here and then kind of make it into like a little montage thing. So yeah, we've got that going down. Now also I need to bring my scales, weigh myself, and then the post-workout look should be pretty goddamn cool. It should be pretty full, and I'm very excited to get this pump going, because this pump is going to be absolutely fucking mental with this meal in. So got that going down, and cue the absolute cinema that is about to be created. Let's go.
I'm a living little good thing. Slightly living little for me. Mama says you with a good thing. Yeah. We came a long way, man. We just came a long way. And we sitting on top of this shit. This shit can go one of two ways. This shit can go up, it can go down. Either way, nigga, I'm prepared. Feel me? Yeah. I be coming in peace, but fuck me. Best beware the others, this shit deep. Undercovers creep, this southern heat make them bearable. Summer just last week, seen your mama weep. Crying cause she don't wanna bury your brother. The blood leaks while the EMTs gotta carry her baby like surrogate mothers. Whoa. Thank God we survived around with a terrorist. Suffered though traumatized, wouldn't trade it for nothing through hard times. It was there I discovered a hustle and making the best out of struggle. I kept grinding to the step, but level respect mine. Gotta stay out of trouble cause tech nines like the air I rebuttals. Cold world niggas knowing what it is. Just in case they don't, I show them what it is. Dear summer, I do real numbers, couldn't dare touch it if they sold a double disc. Black hot niggas burning up the street. Shots popping and we heard it up the street. It's a war, niggas running up the score. Jesus said that you should turn the other cheek. Once these niggas getting murdered every week. Dead bodies smell the odor in the street. My homie got out on parole. He's on my Coca-Cola in the soda industry. Summertime bring the coldest winter breeze. Hella blues like the rolling 60s. Christ went to heaven age 33, and so did Pimp C and so did Nipsey. I told you. This shit can go up, it can go down. I don't give a fuck, nigga. I done seen the highest heights. I done seen it twice. And I seen the lowest of the lows. And still I rose. Now I'm at your neck, nigga. Yeah.
same, it's not the same. You're gonna tell me that I'm right. You know you're gonna come back down, find yourself where you are again.
And just like that, people, the final session until show number 1, my first ever show, is wrapped up. Wowee. Monumental stuff. Obviously, it was just a pump session, as you saw, but really happy. We're where we want to be, need to be right now. Weighed in at 66.2 kilos, just there after the workout. So that is a little bit heavier, most likely than we'll be stepping on stage, and definitely shots like are just very, very full, which once again, if you got to this point, you would have heard the kind of game plan for today, which would be to kind of be very, very full, spill over a little bit watery, which is the plan today, and that's exactly where we are. So we're literally fucking exactly where we want to be. We've got 2 more meals today, 100 carbs in each, pretty much kind of similar layout to the meals that we just had. Obviously been very low volume, and just similar food choices there. So got those 2 high carb meals, and then tomorrow obviously will be 1 day out. First half of the day we'll kind of carb up, and the second half of the day will be like minimal to no carbs, dry off, and the water will just absolutely fucking fly off, and we'll wake up on show day very dry, with that fullness that we've carried over from today. So that is a motherfucking game plan. We are ready. The work has been done, people. It's a case of chilling out, relaxing, enjoying the weekend, being present, and getting our ass on stage, as the game plan. So last session done. I've got a very, very busy day ahead. I need to literally get this edited like as soon as I get home. Start editing this because I need to get it exported out for use tomorrow. And this will be the last video as well, out on the YouTube until my show day, which is very, very exciting. So follow along my Instagram, pop up my Instagram, Matt's the exact same as YouTube at. But go over, follow that if you want to see, how I did in the show. Follow along with the show day in real time, and obviously follow along with the prep in general. So yeah, last session done, feeling good. We're exactly where we want to be. Time to get home, do a bit of work once again. Like, even though I'm 2 days out, like I've still got the exact same workload. I'm still staying busy, which has been a blessing this prep as well. Like, I don't get me wrong, like being busy really good, like, and it has really positively impacted my prep. Just staying busy, keeping my mind off prep, having other things to focus on as well. It's been really, really positive. Just grow my business, obviously making sure that my quality of service is as high as possible, and that doesn't slip off even when I'm 2 days out. So still got a bit of work to do, clients to get responded to. All check-ins are finished from this morning, which is really good. Team absolutely smashing it. And if you are interested in online coaching, there will be a link below to inquire. Yeah, little plug there, but we are ready to go home, chill out, eat some more carbs, and then I need to get everything ready for tomorrow, as tomorrow is the travel day and we're up early and bed early tonight. So yeah, I shall see you for the post workout meal. Right, post workout, going down the exact same as a pre-workout meal, just without the bagel and honey. So total macros are on screen now. 150 chicken, 50 rice, barbecue sauce, spring onion, 2 rice cakes, 20 grams of jam, and the good old Scores bar, which is absolutely lovely. So meal 3, got 1 more meal going in today. Let me just set this camera up. Right, there we go. So I'm actually going to outro this video right now, go over the kind of plan for tomorrow's video. So obviously I've got 1 more meal to eat, but I need to get this edited, obviously, so it's out tomorrow, and continue the daily PPU vlog. So the next meal will be literally pretty much the exact same. It will be 150 mins, bit of ketchup, usual 2 rice cakes, 20 grams of jam, a Squares bar, 30 raisins, and then 50 grams of sourdough will be the last meal, and that will be another 100 carbs in there. So that will be the full day of eating, 2 days out pretty much, and obviously total will be 450 carbs for the second day of the carb load there. Obviously, you saw today's fastest shot, you saw today's post-workout shots. We went over kind of where we are and the plans going forward. So yeah, pretty much the rest of the day, I've literally just got to pack and then an early bedtime as well. I've pushed all my meals back like an hour or two as well, so I can get to bed a little bit earlier and then wake up a little bit earlier, because we have a good 7-hour drive tomorrow, leaving at 8 o'clock in the morning tomorrow. So that'll be very, very exciting. So that was the plan. 2 days out, finished, full day of eating, carb load, a very, very enjoyable full day of eating for myself, and I'm very, very excited to get tucked into this. It smells very good. So 2 days out completed. Obviously this will be the last YouTube video out before my show as well, so if you want to see how I did my show and follow along, go follow the Instagram as I mentioned. But tomorrow I will be vlogging absolutely everything from the minute I wake up. We've got tanning, we've got the Airbnb, we've got all the boys. It'll be a good weekend, so the work's done. It's time to chill out, relax, be present and enjoy this. Like, this has been a long time coming, you know what I'm saying, like since 2023. You know, I've been working towards this goal of stepping on stage, which is very, very good, and it's cool to see it all kind of unfold, and it's came in so fast. And for anyone who has competitive aspirations, take it one day at a time, nail the boxes, and before you know it, you'll be stepping on stage just like me, which is absolutely crazy. So gonna get tucked into the post-workout meal because I'm very, very hungry. But that is the plan for tomorrow. Travel day, 7 hours, up early. I need to pack, I need to text Josh as well, and he'll kind of let me know the game plan for tomorrow so I can prep my meals, which is what I'll be going down today. So nothing exciting to kind of to vlog for the rest of the day. Last session went down before the first show. So yeah, very much enjoyed making these peak week videos. I will probably in all my peak weeks try do some sort of kind of daily content, hopefully. Don't take my word on it, but I've enjoyed making these, so gonna get this edited within the next few hours, work, pack, wind down, hopefully have a good sleep, because yesterday I just could not stop thinking about the show, to be honest. So the work's been done though, nothing else we can do but low stress, relax, chill out. But yeah, much love boys. Last video till show day, which is very, very, just is actually crazy to say. So the tomorrow's vlog will be out, you know, the days after the show, once I've kind of had time to come home, chill out, edit it, get it uploaded, and then the show day video will be out within the coming weeks, which is very, very exciting. So look out for that, which I'm very, very excited for. So first ever show going down in 2 days time. I appreciate your support, appreciate you watching, and I shall see you on the other side. Goodbye.